High wind warning. Issued at Monday 8:25 a.m. March 17, 2025. Issued by National Weather Service. Description. Wet. For the Spring Mountains and West Las Vegas Valley, west winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. For south-central Nye County, southerly to southwesterly winds with sustained speeds of 25 to 30 miles per hour and gusts up to 60 miles per hour are expected. For southern Nye County and the central and eastern portions of the Las Vegas Valley, southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with 40 to 50 miles per hour gusts are expected. Where Las Vegas Valley, Spring Mountains, Red Rock Canyon, and western Clark and southern Nye County. When until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Tuesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Dangerous crosswinds are expected along Highway 95 between Indian Springs and Desert Rock-Mercury. Strong westerly downslope winds up to 60 miles per hour are expected to impact the western portions of the Las Vegas Valley, including Summerlin. These downslope winds will make for hazardous driving conditions on north-south oriented roadways, including Highway 215 between Cheyenne and Sunset. Winds will transition to the northwest overnight Monday into Tuesday. These northwesterly winds will not be as strong as the preceding westerly-to-southwesterly winds, but will still have the potential to cause minor to moderate impacts. Recommended action. Watch for falling debris, tree limbs, and downed power lines or poles. Use extra caution if you must drive.